to make coconut milk and fenugreek mask at home for hair growth. To make this mask, you will need the following ingredients: 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed powder and 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Directions: mix the coconut milk and fenugreek seed powder into a smooth paste. Now, rub this mixture gently on your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes. Then, wash your hair with a mild shampoo and finish with a conditioner. For best results, you have to use this treatment once or twice a week. Fenugreek is a popular hair care ingredient. It is rich in protein and helps reduce hair thinning, balding, and hair fall. It also contains lecithin, which strengthens and moisturizes the hair. Studies showed that fenugreek extracts could boost hair growth in mice. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.